All right, we're in the third video, understanding current lab. All right, we've got our working circuit here. Now we're moving on to step number 5 here, and what we're supposed to do is take this circuit here, which you created in the previous steps, and switch the switch with the battery so that we get this result right here for step 5. All right, so we'll go back to our simulation. Again, right click, then left click, split junction. And now we've got our circuit. If it'll let me drag it out of there, right click, split junction, right click, then left click, split junction. And now we can put the battery over here and then bring the switch back down. Again, if it lets me move it around. Actually, let's just remove it and put another one in because it gives me trouble there. So set it up, drag this wire over, now it's all connected, close the switch, and now the current is flowing. Okay, we did switch the battery, and so the direction of electron flow is a little bit different than what we had before, but it's not a big deal. All right, if we go back to our lab sheet, it says remeasure the current in the circuit using the ammeter. The current in the circuit is what? And look right here, it's 0.9 amps. So that's what you want to write down. When we go to step 7, now we need to move the ammeter to a position on the other side of the bulb as seen in the following diagram. Right now we're measuring current on this side of the bulb. Okay, now we want to move this ammeter over here to measure the current. So again, what we want to do is split the junction on both sides here so we can take the ammeter out. Okay, split this junction right here. And then we can drag the length of the wire down here. Let's move this down to here, add another wire. So we're all connected there. We can then drag, so they're connected there. And you can see it's 0.9 amps. Again, it was 0.9 amps before the light bulb, 0.9 amps after the light bulb. And so we write that into step 8 right there. Then it says, what do the results from step 1 to 8 teach you about current in simple series circuits? So we go here, just recall that we move some stuff around, and more than anything else, what I want you to focus on is we move the ammeter around. We put it on different sides of the light bulb, on different sides of the battery, etc. What do you notice about the values that we got? All right, you'll notice that they were all 0.9 amps. So that means that the current in a simple circuit, no matter where you measure it, it's going to be the same everywhere. Just look at the simulation. You can notice that the speed of the electrons all the way through is consistent, no matter where we're looking. So the current is the same everywhere in a simple circuit. Okay. Then it says in number 10 there, note the brightness of the 9-volt bulb in the circuit. Now change the voltage of the bulb to 12 volts. Do this by right-clicking on the bulb and then clicking Change Resistance. Change the resistance to 35. Note the change in the brightness of the bulb. Which bulb is brightest when connected to a 9-volt battery? Why? So we'll actually do number 10 and mention number 11 in the next video. Okay, again, so that we don't have too long of videos uploading to YouTube here. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.